Hello.
Yeah.
Yes. We have a limitation Excel sheet. How many rows of data I can populate? Like I can add. How many? We have 10,48,576 rows. This much of rows of data I can add in a single sheet. This is its limitation. Beyond that, one row can't add. Next. How many columns are there? 16,384 columns is the total number of columns that an Excel has. These are all the tabs. Home tab, insert, draw, page layout, formula, data, review, view, developer, help. In each tab, we have ribbons. This is called ribbons. This is called formula bar. For an example, I'll do the sum here. I'll do the sum here. I got the value. But what is the formula that I have used? If I select that cell in the formula bar, it will show what are all the formula that I have used in the solving this function, solving this task. Next, this is address bar. Before that, what is cell? What is row? What is column? The horizontal alignment of cells are called rows. The vertical alignment of cells are called columns. The intersection of row and column is called cell. Row, column. The intersection of that both is called cell. So row is denoted by alphabet. Column is denoted by row is denoted by numbers. Column is denoted by alphabet. Combination of these both is called as cell. B3. What is the cell address? B3. What is this? G3. What is this? Simple. Got it. And we can okay. In my class, 80%, 80 to 85% of the things you'll do use shortcuts. You'll do using shortcuts. No more usage of mouse. The most shortcut you'll do, the most efficient you are. Next, first topic is fill series today. Today is fill series. What is fill series? I want to increment 1 to 100. What is your approach? 1, 2, 3, 4 till 100 I want to increment. What you will do? What is your approach of doing to 1 to 100? I'll type first approach, basic approach is I'll type, but too much hard, too much time consuming. Or else I can drag like this. Till where? Till 100 I can't. It will directly go to an end. Or else I'll get an error. It is also time consuming. In one go, I want till 100, 1 to 100. What I have to do? I have a shortcut. Alt H FIS. It is asking, do you want to populate row wise or column wise? I want in single column. In this column, I want column wise. Linear means addition, adding, plus. Step value. Each step, which number should be incremented? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Each step I want to increment by 1. Okay, step value 1. Stop value, where it should end? 100. Alt H F5. Yes. Okay. Next, I want to increment by multiplying. Multiply. What I can do? Alt H FIS, same to increment any Alt H FIS, fill series. I want in column wise anyways. Growth means multiplication. Here, the shortcut is to enable row or enable column, enable row. I'm not selecting. See here, I'm not selecting, but I'm taking a option. How? The underlined letter will be there right here. Can you observe that? That is a shortcut. Alt C, Alt R, Alt L, Alt HFIS, Alt C, Alt G, Alt O, 1000, Alt S, 2. Step value, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Step value, I have to multiply till 1000. In growth means multiplication. Next, I have a date. In Excel, the date will be, the default date will be in US format. What is US format? Month, day, year. Indian format, day, month, year. Basic level, Excel knows only format of US format. I can modify. I can modify by control 1. Control 1 is to customize my format. This is in US format. I want to convert in Indian format. I can go date. Here MD. Wait, this is a customized one. TD for first date. After that, now it is fine. But default is US format. Now I have to increment each day. Hello. Very good morning, man. How's practice going on? Practice. Now I have to increment. Alt H FIS. Here it already knows that I'm selecting a date and it already enabled the date. I want in column wise step value. Each one day I have to increment each day. And stop value, what I can give. After 20 till 20 days I want. What I can give you. Stop value. 20. Here I should specify the last date. For an example, I have to give 29 06 2026. It is giving me what it is returning. It is giving me an error. Why? I already told you I'm entering a Indian format here. What Excel knows? US format. First, what I have to give? 6, 29, month, day, and year. Each day have been incremented. like this increment year wise, day wise. Each month wise increment, each year wise increment. Increment up to uh, increment only month up to this date. Same date and same month up to same date, same year, but month have to be incremented. That's it. This should be till 2035 increment year. Date and month are same, year should increment. That's the task. Next, I have Jan. Does Jan to December change in between? In any month or any leap year? No, you didn't heard that. From Jan to December, will it change? No, right? Okay. So why it will not change anyway? So we have a pre-returned values because in future also it will not change. Monday to Sunday it won't change. Jan to December it won't change. So we have a shortcut of autofill. Already have we have Alt H FIS, Alt F for autofill. Everything will disable because there is no need of incrementing any values. It's already have it till December. If it stop at December, it will again start with the January only. So I'll select downwards, Alt H FIS. Okay. Monday, drag it down, Alt H FIS. All the pre-returned values. If BMW car companies has an order like January, February, March like that, is there? No, right? Car brand has a order. Huh? No, right? Why car brands will have an order? But I'm getting BMW, Benz, Romeo, Renault, Bentley. Does car brands have order? No. Then I'm getting how? So the thing is, these things I have written priorly. To do this, file, option, advanced, edit custom list here. Excel don't know it's a January or December. Excel only knows to calculate. That's it. So I have customized my list. Car brands, Apple, Mango, ABCD. So I want to do it again. I'll remove this, delete it. After that, I can give E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Add it. Okay. Okay. Now I got my new customized list. If I give K, it will give me the customized list I have customized in the list. Alt H Fi, yes. Autofill. So I have some names here. I want to extract first name and the last name. Rachana, is Anjali is there? No, not there. Anjali. Okay. To extract first name, I can first specify the example name Ali. Drag it down. Alt H Fi F for flash fill. I only got first name. Last name. Alt H Fi F. I'll only get last name. It is called flash fill. Alt H Fi F. F for flash fill. I want to copy down. What's your approach? I want to copy it for each cell downwards. Alt. That is filled by incrementing. I have incremented that. I want the same value. See here. I want the same value. Ali take till here. I want to copy it down. Same value. What's your approach? Tell me your basic. That's no problem. What would be? This name I want to populate here downwards. Okay. This one, like this, right? Like this. Right side, same. Okay. We have a shortcut for this. Control down, shift down to copy downwards, Control D to copy down. Control R to copy right. Use these shortcuts next time. Control D. Control R. Control up, like sorry, to copy up. Control D for copy down, Control R for U. But we don't have direct shortcut because frequently you lose top to bottom. Control D, top to bottom will write, left to right will write Control R. But there is no shortcut, will not enter down to above. Right. But we have a shortcut in the ribbon. Alt H Fi. U means up. Direct shortcut is not there, but ribbon shortcut is there. Alt H Fi L for left. L for left. U for up. Clear? Any doubts in this? This will be the class of fill series. I'll be sharing you this video